Hi, so in this lab, we are going to work with cloud-based init and try to enhance the VMware Aria automation template. Since we know cloud init, it's a software installed on Unix operating system like CentOS and Ubuntu, and cloud-based init is used for Windows. So in this lab, we will perform cloud-based init operation. So let's log in. Click on Cloud Assembly. Click on Design. New from blank canvas. We'll give a name Windows Cloud Base Init, and we'll give a project Vmware. Click create. Now we'll delete this and copy paste this YAML provided by VMware. So let's see what exactly this does. In here we are going to get a one resource, which is machine. This machine is connected to this particular network, and in this machine, while spinning up the machine, cloud config perform following operation. What it does, it first writes a file at this particular location, test.txt. Then it sets the host name, which is provided by the user input in the deployment, and then afterwards it will install the salt minion on the Windows machine. So let's go back to the console, and in here we can see this Windows machine, and this is connected to this network, and these are the tasks. So we'll test out first. We'll give a name Win1 Cloud Base. We got the green signal, syntax is fine. So we'll proceed ahead and deploy. We'll give a host name Win1 Cloud Base deploy. We'll log into vSphere client. We can see from here, from the Windows template, the cloning is been done to create a virtual machine. So we can see the VM has been created. This is a resource name. Now it will perform the installation of the software and bringing up the IP and giving them a DNS name. And host name is set here. Now machine has been created. It has been created successfully. We'll log into the machine. Once we'll go into this particular C drive, seems like the cloud base init command is still in process in the background, so we'll wait. Yes, in here now. Yes, now cloud init has been done, so and rebooted the system. This is a test file which got created, and this is a control base init test has been created. So as we have specified this content in here, so also we perform the installation of the salt minion. So we'll log into salt stack, click on minion keys, click on pending. So this is the one which we have just spin up. We'll click here and we'll accept the keys. In here in accepted we can see T2 is there. Now keys has been exchanged. This is a one example of cloud-based init. Likewise, we can have a multi-part as well. So first I'll delete this deployment. And go in design section, click blank canvas, Windows, cloud init, cloud base, multi part. We'll select the project and click create. Now in here we'll copy the YAML provided by Vmware. So what exactly they are doing in this YAML is, again we are going to have a machine with a minion, and then there's a network which is attached to that machine, and in this machine we have a minion ID which is going to be a host name, and this is a image which it is going to use this flavor, and important part is cloud based init. So this is a cloud config which sends the configuration information. That those instructions are, first it is going to set the host name, this, write a content, cloud based init in a test format, and then it will install the salt minion. So what is this format? It is a separation between the multi-part directives. So let's go back to the VMware Aria assembly. Now we can test this out. We'll give a host win test. It is successful. Let's go ahead and deploy win multi-part win test. deploy. In here, we can see the task once it will get the resources created. Right now only we can see the network. Now it's the machine it is trying to create. The copy template cloning is in progress. This is a machine which got provisioned. Resources has been created successfully. We can see in here I log into this machine. Still the configuration is happening in the background. Now Cloudbase Init has performed the configuration and rebooting the system. Now go and explore. We can see the test file which has a Cloudbase Init. And now we'll go in salt stack config. In this we can see the pending one. This is a Win1 cloud base as we have specified. Click here, accept the keys, and the key between the Salt Lake master and minion has been exchanged. It might take a second to refresh. Yeah, now it is there. So this is how we can have the configuration in multi-part. So there's a short lab about the Cloudbase Init. So I'll delete this one. Thank you.